Hey y'all, I wanted to talk about my new planners. So, here's a cover of one of them. Blop, 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 blop. And you can see it belongs to me. On this first page, I give you guys instructions on how to use it. How to use this planner, do now. This box is for the items to do right now. The deadline for these items is past due or must be done by the end of the day. As you can see, I had some things to do. Due soon. These items have a fast approaching deadline and need to be slowly moved to the do now box. Try not to complete these tasks until you've finished all of the items in the do now section. And I didn't listen to myself, but hey, I did stuff. Then do eventually. This is a place to store tasks that is a scheduled deadline, but it's set far enough in the future that you do not need to complete them right now. Use this box to keep these items on your radar. I actually did do this, eventually. Aspire to do. There are always things you wish you could do, but there never seems to be enough time. Use this box to keep them in mind. There were no aspirations this day. As a recently diagnosed ADHDer, I found that organizing my priorities in this way has helped me to get more stuff done instead of just letting them all, seem as important as the next one, So I hope this helps. You can find all these planners on Amazon.com by searching up Jennifer Conti Daily Task Planner.